Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and sometimes customers want to know how to remove the bottom base plate to access the bottom of the Elektra Semiautomatica or the Leva. As you can see here, we have the nice copper and brass. There's no cover on top, no group head, no drip tray, all removed. You will need a short, stubby Phillips head screwdriver. And in here you will find a screw that needs to be removed. You will take the screw, turn it counterclockwise. As you can see, I'm holding it with both hands so it doesn't move and scratch the surface, because the last thing you want to do is scratch the surface of this beautiful machine. And do not lose the screw, just put it on the side. Of course, the machine needs to be unplugged from the wall outlet, and it needs to be cooled down so you don't burn yourself. This machine actually is a little bit warm, but you don't want to burn yourself, and remove water from the reservoir. Turn the machine to the back side. Okay, lift up a little bit and use your fingers to push it off. Now, as you can see, this one I got off pretty easily. If you have a little difficulty, get another spare set of hands to hold the machine properly, and you will put the screwdriver, flathead small, basically at the ridge, okay? And just tap it down gently. Here it's coming off nice and easy, but when it's on really tight, you may need to do that. I always suggest on the back side where people cannot see in case you scratch it, okay? And then here's the inside of the machine. To put it back on, you will take, okay, this is a new 2024 models. Of course, it's 2025, but they're always produced in advance. You will notice there's two holes. This was for the old safety thermostat. This hole here now is for the new safety thermostat here. This outer hole on the base needs to line up with this brown push pin. So you'll put that in there, line it up, push it in. Okay, get this in here, the back side, now the front side, bang it up, push down on the base. When you put this screw in, start it by hand so you don't strip the threads of the base, and use the Phillips head to tighten it. This has to be made pretty tight, and the reason is, okay, I'm going by hand, and I'm putting a little more force downwards on the screwdriver, because if you don't tighten this here, water that gets under your drip tray will seep inside underneath, and that can cause issues. So it's important to tighten that. Okay, so that's how you basically remove and put back on the base on the bottom. Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Hopefully you give us a thumbs up, follow us on social media. Not only follow us, but share that you care to members of your family, friends, and neighbors. And as I always say, coffee first, everything else second. Take care.